Most ecom brand owners are wasting thousands of dollars on meta ads right now because they're winging it, testing unproven creative concepts that the algorithm doesn't react to. I want this to be the last video you ever watch on high converting Facebook ads. We're not just talking theory here. I've run over 100,000 meta ads for D2C ecom brands and personally managed over $350 million in meta ad spend. I've distilled all my learnings into 5 banger ad concepts that will print for you today. So let's jump into my computer and get right into it. All right, let's start with moneymaker number 1, the us versus them video ad. Us versus them videos work because they collapse the decision into a binary choice and make your product the obvious winner. The mechanism is simple. You show the problem with your brand or product as the solution, and then you show exactly how your product solves it. The viewer's brain doesn't have to work. They see the contrast, they understand the gap, and suddenly your product feels like the only rational choice. I've seen this format crush across categories, and these are the best hooks to use. I'm never using X again, or here's why I switched to Y. You're not selling the product, you're selling the decision to leave the competitor behind or leave the old choice behind. What makes it convert is that it speaks directly to the pain point. Someone already frustrated with the status quo sees themselves in the problem and then immediately sees a solution. The psychological shift from problem to solution happens in seconds. The format doesn't only work with video, also works with static. The static us versus them gives you a side-by-side comparison that stops the scroll. Video us versus them lets you demonstrate the problem and the solution in action real time, which hits even harder because people watch it in a loop. I'm going to be showing you an example in a few seconds. And one thing I'll add, winning us versus them ads don't necessarily have to call out a competitor exactly. You can call out a common enemy or an old way and then present the new way. And it's almost better to attack the experience of the old way. This way versus that way lands cleaner than this product is trash. Better for the viewer to see themselves in the old way and want to convert to the new way versus attacking a brand that they might have an affinity to, might have an attachment to, and might have used for years. You know, if you've used the same olive oil for years, you're gonna have an attachment to it. So if they straight bash that brand, you're probably gonna be like, well, no, this is a decent olive oil, right? So you got to be slick with it. You got to be clever with it. You can't just straight up bash the brand, because if they have a lot of history with that brand, it's going to feel like to them, you're bashing them individually, when we don't want to do that. So let's dive into a real life us versus them video example. So here we have an example from a meta ads at scale mentorship graduate, Ratha Blends, who went from 10K to over 300K a month in under like 5 months. And they made this banger us versus them ad that I used to creative direct other people on how to make a banger us versus them video. I'm going to turn the volume on for this. I'm just going to let it play. Once it's done playing, I'll give you some commentary.
Never using Epsom salts again. After learning Epsom salts are loaded with the same endocrine disrupting chemicals as insect repellent, I threw away every flake of Epsom salt I had. In my research for a new therapeutic bath flake, I discovered something crazy. A place sought after since biblical times for its natural healing properties. The waters of the Dead Sea contain the highest concentration of magnesium in the world. Epsom salt is synthetically mass-produced, containing less than 10% magnesium. Our Dead Sea magnesium chloride comes straight from the earth, with a nearly 50% concentration of magnesium. Also, Epsom salt only provides absorption rates of 5 to 15%. While Dead Sea flakes offer up to 100% absorption. Research has proven magnesium chloride to be the easiest form of the mineral for our body to absorb. Ditch low-quality Epsom salt.
And all right, we'll stop it there. You'll see in the beginning of the video, they call out these Epsom salts. Yes, they're actually calling out a brand. They show all the synthetic ingredients in that. And they go into what their product is. It's from the Dead Sea, is natural salt flakes that you can bathe in, right? And then they go back to the Epsom salt, talking about how it's synthetic, how the absorption isn't as good as the absorption of their products. So the us versus them videos, it's important to kind of go back and forth, poke the pain, give the solution, poke the pain, give the solution, right? And that then at the end of the video, they give a bunch of reviews of the product as well. But also another thing is the B-roll they use. You see how whenever they're talking about, they try to get B-roll that kind of matches exactly what they're talking about. And also demonstration. They're showing the bath, right? They're showing the product in the bath, showing their product in action. So this is literally a banger video, a banger example of an us versus them. And this absolutely printed for them. We ran this exact us versus them format for one of our holistic health brands inside meta ads at scale that started with us in August of last year at 7K a month. We juxtaposed their shampoo and conditioner versus drugstore and grocery store shampoo and conditioner. And let me tell you, it absolutely ripped in the us versus them format. These types of ads were one of the biggest contributors to their growth from 7K a month to 375K a month last month. They hit 9 record months in a row, and they're now in my inner circle membership after graduating the program. Let me show you that screenshot. screenshot. So this is what happens when you follow these formats that I tell you, the founder story, the us versus them, the POV product breakdown video I'm about to show you. These guys went from 7K a month, August 2025, to 375K a month last month. They're on track to do probably 500K this month. Again, this is 1600% growth from last year in under 12 months. They went from 7K to 375K a month. Your whole life can change. Their whole life's changed because, again, they joined my program and followed these creative types. So don't sleep on these things that I'm telling you. This is real sauce here. A quick reminder, if you want my exact 2026 meta ads scaling checklist, also known as the 10 commandments of meta ads, hit the second link in the description and go grab that. It's an absolute banger. Now let's move on to moneymaker number 2, these founder story video ads. Founder ads work because they solve the trust problem that every new brand faces. When someone scrolls past your ad, they don't know you. You're a new brand. They don't know if your product is real, if you're legit, if you're just some weird dropshipping brand, dropshipping stuff from China, right? They don't know anything. And a polished brand ad, it doesn't fix that. It actually makes it worse because it looks like every other brand that's trying to sell them something. A founder ad absolutely flips the script. Suddenly there's a face, a voice, a person with skin in the game. People buy from people now, not logos, not global corps, not Fortune 500 companies. They want to buy from someone exactly like them or someone that they can relate to and resonates with them. That's not sentiment. That's actually how human trust works. I've seen this play out over and over again. Happens all the time with new brands coming into my program, Meta Ads at Scale. They don't want to do the founder story ads. They don't want to get on camera. So they try other ads. Again, we still give them winning templates, but sometimes these ones don't hit because they're not a mature brand yet. They need to try the founder story ads. So then finally, I convinced them to do the founder story ads and boom, they hit their first holy grail banger ad. They get high click-through rate, low CPCs, low CPMs, low cost per add to carts, low cost per checkouts, and of course, orders at the best ROAS they've ever had. Do not sleep on founder ads. Another brand I worked with had a founder who didn't want to be in the videos. So instead we had a creator tell a story in third person. It still printed, it still hit just as hard. So if you're a founder who doesn't want to be in the ad still, you can get creators or you can do B-roll voiceovers if you want as a founder's ad. They all work because the mechanism is the same. Authenticity breaks through the noise. For brands in my program, I swear the hit rate is probably 90%, and I'm not even kidding you. It's one of the most underrated growth levers because most people think they need to have a professional camera crew and all this stuff to do the founder ads. No, all you need is a phone, start recording. You can add some cute edits if you want. You don't even need to, but really all that matters mostly is just the story that you're telling about your brand. Why did you build the brand? How long did it take you to build a brand? When did you first get the idea for the brand? What's your overall vision for the brand? What problem were you actually trying to solve? Those are the ads that absolutely bang. So let me show you some examples. So first we have one from Perfect White Tea Founders Story ad. I'm gonna refresh it here. You'll see them, Jen, she's the co-founder. She's in the warehouse, just showing people how real this brand actually is. They're not drop shipping from China. They sell blank products. It talks about why the products are expensive. It talks about why they charge what they charge for their garments. And it's because everything is made in Los Angeles, in the USA, not in China, domestic yarns, domestic fabric, domestic quality control. They actually have real employees, right? And so this is the type of stuff that crushes, right? Real authenticity, real founder, not hiding anything. This is how I started a natural soap business that makes over 60K a month. When he left my program, he was doing over 350K a month. Talks about his story, about how he was having issues with acne, stuff like that. Nothing was working, right? And so he started to go all natural, just stop using any products. But he's like, there's got to be something. I still need to get clean, right? So now he, started the towel soap brand, shows you how he's making it, right? This is all B-roll now. He's doing a voiceover, right? So you can do that too. You can have the hook of yourself in the beginning talking to the camera, and then you can do voiceover B-roll after that. But again, this absolutely crushed for him. As you see, 8,000 likes, 138 comments, over 175,000 views. This absolutely printed for him. Again, founder stories are absolutely goated. So do not sleep on the founder story ads. They print, and you can continue to make them over and over again. For example, Ruggable, I was one of the founding employees there. I scaled them from 1 million to 500 million a year, 3 years in a row, and they still make founder story ads with Geneva, the founder of Ruggable, who actually hired me. This is like 8-9 years later, right? They're still doing it. So once you crack founders ads, which you will, keep making them over and over and over again because they will continue to print for you over and over again. Yes, you're gonna have to remix them, maybe shoot them differently, obviously wear something different. make a new script. But again, once you hit them, you can just keep tapping that well over and over and over again. Cool. Now let's move on to moneymaker number 3, the POV product breakdown video ad. And of course, I'm going to show you an example at the end, so definitely wait for it. POV product breakdown ads work because it collapses the distance between the viewer and the product to almost 0. The example I'm going to give you is from Andrew Redvanly from the brand Redvanly. He's one of the co-founders. And this is where I initially got this video concept from, is I told them, hey, you have a really unique product. Literally just like go to your warehouse, turn the camera on, pick up the product and just tell me about it. Tell me all the things I need to know about the product, why you made it, all that sort of stuff. So it's kind of like a product story, right? Similar to the founder story, but it's like the product story. And that's what he did. And it absolutely crushed. And he's still been running this ad for like literally 4 years straight. And the reason why it works is it doesn't feel like an ad. It feels like your friend or your buddy just showing you something that he's super hyped about. First person camera angle, the product in hand, the casual walkthrough of why it matters. Your brain processes that completely different than a polished brand video ad. So here's the mechanism. When you film from the user's point of view, the viewer mentally puts themselves in your position. They're holding the product themselves. They're touching the fabric. They're seeing it up close the way they would if they were in store actually trying on the product themselves. You're essentially letting them try your product or try your product on in their mind. That's the whole game now, especially now with e-com where most brands don't have physical stores. Like you have to make them mentally do this, mentally try your product in their brain before they actually get it inside their hand. That is the whole game and it absolutely prints. And the best part about this format doesn't require crazy production either. The us versus them and the founder story probably are a little bit more complicated than this. This, you literally just put up the camera, get the product in your hand and literally just start filming, talking to the camera super raw about why you made the product, what's the best parts about the product, all the details about the product, your favorite parts about the product, how long it took you to like ideate this product and the process of making it, all that sort of stuff you can go really deep on. And again, by the end of it, people are like, I'm sold. I'm sold. You know, let me give you my money, right? So let me show you an example now of this Andrew Redvanly ad, this POV product breakdown ad. This has been running literally for 4 years.
Hey guys, Andrew Redvanly here, and I want to tell you real quick about our Hanover pull-on short. I have it right in front of me, and as you can see here, it's looks like your traditional golf short. What's unique about them though is its pull-on feature, and I know a lot of guys have been asking, well, what do you mean by pull-on? And to explain that, it's kind of just like a tennis short, really, fully elasticized, but it looks super, super clean and nice. You can wear this wherever, country club, after dinner, you can throw your belt on it, fly works, fully functional pockets. It's just like any other short, except it's so comfortable because it's great to compete in, to swing, to twist, to turn, everything athletically. You need tons of stretch. They're super, super lightweight and comfortable, but just a great summer short, and I hope you guys like them. Check them out.
Super simple, like literally just pulls up to his warehouse. You can see the sewing machines in the background. That is added effect. If you can have that, if you could actually go into your warehouse where the products are sewed and made, will make them crush even harder. But again, just pulls up. He's got his iPhone out, talks for a minute. That's it. No captions even. He literally just sent me this video. I'm like, let's just run it. I just ran it. And that was it. And again, 4 years later, this thing's still crushing. So do not sleep on the POV product breakdown video ads. They literally money printers. Now we're going to move on to moneymaker ad number 4. We're moving on to static image ads. This is the before and after ad. These are super famous ads. Everyone knows the famous proactive ads, the acne ads, where they have acne on the face and they don't have acne on the face, right? These were initially before and after was actually banned from Meta because Meta was like, these are way too scammy. People were getting scammed for products. You're actually allowed to do them now, but because Meta has way better, systems on tracking scammers, that you can actually do them now, which is great. Before and afters work because it collapses the gap between a problem and solution into a single visual. Your brain doesn't have to do the work. You see the mess, then you see it clean. You see the face with acne, then you see the face with no acne, right? You show the before look and then you show the after look. And suddenly this customer sees themselves with a clear face or sees themselves in the clothes that you are promoting. For apparel, it's the same mechanism, but it's more about transformation, how you look before the product. Maybe you weren't stylish and now you are stylish. Or if the ad's about how durable the product is, you show the product before and then show the product after, which is an example ad that I'm going to show you. And the reason these perform across apparel, CPG, tech product brands, basically any brands, is the same. They answer the question that everyone's actually asking. For a soap or skincare brand, it's, will this product actually work? Are they lying? Or does this product actually do what they say it's going to do? Is it actually going to help me? The before and after proves that it does. For apparel, it's how will I look in this? How is it gonna fit? The before and after shows them. Or is this product going to last? Is this lifetime warranty pants that you're showing me, are they actually going to last? or are you making this up, right? The before and after shows that. What makes them convert is contrast. The starker the visual difference between the before and after, the faster the scroll stops. A girl with textured skin and then a girl with clear skin. A guy in baggy, worn out gym clothes looking disheveled, and then he has a fitted look looking confident in your brand. Messy hair to styled hair. Clean work pants to beat up work pants that are still holding up. This format also doesn't require crazy production or crazy graphic design. A phone photo on the left works and a phone photo on the right works, just using your iPhone. That's the whole creative. No scripts, no actors, no fancy lighting, fancy cameras, fancy photo shoot, just the transformation side by side. You could probably do this easily in Canva if you're like me and don't know Figma or Photoshop. I always run before and afters as statics first to see whether the transformation is compelling enough to stop the scroll, get clicks, and get those conversions. And if the before and afters hit on static, then you know the core idea works. You can also scale it into videos and into carousels. Now let's check out some examples. So here's a before and after from the brand Brick. Brick is one of my clients, and this is basically shows what the product does. I reduced my screen time by 72% with Brick. Brick just like locks your phone. You can't, open up Instagram or any apps, right? You can choose what it is. But look at the daily average screen time was 5 hours, and now it's down to 1 hour and 40 minutes, just showing exactly that this product does what it says it's going to do. This is also one of my clients, 1620 Workwear. This is a before and after of kind of what I was talking about, the brand new product on the left, then the worn product on the right. One of the things that they have for their products is it's a lifetime warranty, lifetime guarantee on their products, and that they are quality. And this shows exactly that. Brand new pant, literally an actual pant of the product that was worn for 3 years in the field. This ad absolutely crushed on the brand page, and we also ran it on the founders page as well under founders whitelisting. So again, showing you guys how I had two things. I do brand. I launch ads on brand first, they crushed, and we also launch them on founder whitelisting later. Typically, we double dip. It's one of the best things to do. And last, moneymaker number 5, the secret sale static image ad. Secret sale ads work because they create artificial scarcity and exclusivity without requiring your brand to have actually advertised sale across your whole site, across your other ad channels, even across your email channel, right? This can be a secret sale, right? And the mechanism is simple. The word secret implies that you're already inside of an exclusive insider group, and people don't like feeling left out. People like to feel like they're in that exclusive club. When you say you're invited to our secret sale, the brain immediately interprets that as this is for people who matter. They think of themselves as dang, I'm that person, right? That's FOMO instilled into 2 words, secret sale. Test this across multiple brands, and the creative doesn't need to be fancy at all, just super simple. A clean background and a bold headline saying secret sale or private invite. The visual work is minimal, and the simple copy does all the heavy lifting. What makes it convert is the exclusivity angle combined with direct messaging. You're not overselling it, you're not adding a BS narrative. All you're saying is this is happening and you're invited. People respond to it because it feels like insider information, not a broadcast ad, sale for everybody. No, it's a secret sale ad that, they think, dang, everyone's probably not even getting this ad, but I am. I must be on an exclusive audience list maybe, or they're advertising to only their email list, right? You don't know what the user's thinking. They're in robot mode and they're like, I am lucky I saw this ad, right? I am in this secret sale. I need to click, right? Something like that. Cold audiences don't know if you're running a sale on Meta or anywhere else. So when they see it framed as exclusive, they're way more likely to click. It's a psychological hack that costs nothing, but yields outsized CTR, low CPCs, low CPMs, and high conversion rate. Now let me show you an example of a secret sale ad. So here's an example from one of my clients, Modern Gents. They sell discount engagement rings, and they always are clever with their ads, and they do private sale, private event only. You're invited to our secret sale. All of these work, right? And these absolutely crush. So as you can see, it's a super simple ad. Product on hand, you're invited to our secret sale. It can be as simple as that. Highly recommend you guys test this out. Now, knowing these 5 ad formats gives you a massive advantage, but to be completely honest, just knowing the concepts isn't enough. If you run an ecom brand doing over 10K a month and you want me to personally help you build these ad concepts, write these scripts, help you write the copy, plus show you how to print money consistently with your meta ads, and build you out a full 6-month growth plan so you can scale to 6 and 7-figure months, click the first link in the description. Go to my site, watch the video, learn a little bit more about my program, Meta Ads at Scale, fill out the form and apply to my program. And if you qualify, you'll be invited to book a call on my calendar for a Meta Ads at Scale mentorship application call. And if you're new here, thanks for watching this video and you don't want to partner up yet, you want to make sure your winning creatives actually reach the people who want to buy, you need to watch this video next, how to target your ideal audience with meta ads. In that video, I break down the exact steps to reach high intent buyers every single time. So go click that video right now. And the last thing I'll ask is if you like this video, please smash that like button and give me some more reach on YouTube so we can help more brand owners. And if you want to get videos like this weekly, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be dropping bangers weekly, ideally at least 2 videos a week. I'm trying to get up to like 4 to 5 bangers a week that will help you print money on the daily. I'll see you in the next video.